are going to see the theorem, right? So first theorem is, for any graph G with e edges, that means the number of edges in a graph G is n, and n vertices v1, v2 up to vn. That means in a graph G there are n number of vertices and e number of edges. Then summation of degree of vi is equals to 2 into e, right? So meaning of that statement is, here the summation of degree of vi and I running from 1 to n means, here how many vertices are there? N. So we can write this term as degree of v1 plus degree of v2 plus degree of v3 plus up to dot dot degree of vn, and is equals to 2 into e. Here e is notation for number of edges, right? So now we have to prove this statement, and we know that there are each edge has two end vertices, right? Each edge, we know that each edge has two end vertices. That means here if you draw this edge has two end vertices, right? Therefore when the degree of the vertices are sum, each edge is counted twice. And also even if there is loop also has two endpoints, but that endpoints are identical. That means the endpoints of edge loop is same, right? So therefore this is a very simple statement. Let us take an example. Here we have the graph G, right? So here number of vertices are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to prove this statement, right? So first we write this term, summation of degree of vi, right? Summation of degree of vi. Here summation of degree of vi, I running from 1 to 5, because in a graph G there are 5 vertices. So summation of degree of vi is equals to degree of, that means degree of v1 plus degree of v2 plus degree of v3 plus degree of v4 plus degree of v5, right? Here, and we know that how degree of vertex count, right? So here degree of v1 is equals to 3, because there are 3 edges incident on v1, right? So here here I have written this degree of v1 is equals to 3. Similarly degree of v2, here degree of v2 is 4, because there are 3 edges, right? But here there is a loop, and while counting the degree of vertex, that vertex which have loop on itself, count each loop twice. Here therefore degree of v2 is equals to 4. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here plus degree of v3 is 3, because there are 3 edges incident on v. Here 1, 2, 3, therefore degree of v3 is equals to 3. Similarly degree of v4 is equals to 3, and degree of v5 is equals to 1. So here 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 14 and 14, right? Now we check this side. Here e, here in this statement e means number of edges, right? So we count the number of edges in a graph G. In this graph there are 7 edges, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And each edge count twice. For what? For the summation of degree of vi, right? तो क्या करते हैं हम, जब हमें वर्टेक्स की हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, एक ग्राफ दिया हुआ है, और उसमें हमें सारे वर्टेक्सेस के क्या निकालने हैं, डिग्रीज निकालने हैं और उसकी सम करने, तो वो सम क्या होती है, नंबर ऑफ एजेस के डबल होती है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, there are 7 number of edges, right? Yes, 7 and into 2 is equals to also 14, right? Is equals to 2 into e. Simple, right? So next corollary is, in any graph G there is an even number of odd vertices. So to prove this corollary, first we see the definition of even vertex and odd vertex. Here even vertex means a vertex of a graph G is even if degree of that vertex is even. That means if some vertex has even degree, that means this vertex is even vertex. And odd vertex, a vertex of a graph G is odd if degree of that vertex is odd. Simple. Here, for example, in this graph V1 has degree 3, right, which is odd, therefore V1 is a odd vertex. So similarly V4, degree of V4 is equals to 3, therefore V4 is also odd degree. And also there is a vertex V3, right, V3 has degree 3, therefore this vertex is also odd, right. Here V2 has degree 4, therefore and 4 is even number, therefore V2 is even vertex, right. So now let us see the proof of this corollary, right. Suppose that W be the set of odd vertices of a graph G and U be the set of even vertices of a graph G. That means W is a set of odd vertices of G, means there are the vertices in a W which has degree, odd degree, right. For example, here W means set of odd vertices in a graph G. Here suppose that W1, W2, W3 up to Wn, right, and each vertex has degree odd. That means degree of V1 is equals to odd, degree of V2 is degree of W is equals to odd, degree of W2 is equals to odd, degree of W3 is equals to odd, degree of Wn is equals to odd. And let us consider the set U, right. Set U is a set of all even vertices in a graph G. So let us consider U1, U2, here U3 up to Um, right. Here. That means each vertex in a set U has degree even. That means degree of U1 is equals to even, degree of U2 is also even, also degree of is even, right. And how many vertices in a graph G? That means total number of vertices are n plus m. All vertices here in a graph G there are two sets, W and U, right. W is a set of even vertices and W is a set of odd vertices and U is a set of even vertices, right. And the total number of vertices V is equals to what? W union U, right. So if we want the total degree of sum of total degree of vertices, that means summation of degree of V, right. Here V belongs to V. That means here this set V is equals to what? W1, W2 up to Wn and U1, U2 up to Um, right. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? टोटल वर्टाइसेस कितने हैं? m n plus m, right. So degree of summation of degree of V, here V belongs to V. V belongs to V means V is equals to what? V1 W1 W2 up to Wn, U1 U2 up to Um, right, is equals to, we can write this as summation of degree of Wi, here I running from 1 to n plus summation of degree of Ui, Uj, here j running from 1 to m, right. So total number summation of degree of vertices of a graph G is equals to summation of degree of vertices in a set W plus summation of degree of vertices in a set U, right, here. But we know that by handshaking theorem, what? Summation of degree of Vi is equals to 2 into number of edges. Therefore we get this statement is star. Therefore here I running from 1 to n, right. So here star becomes summation of degree of V is equals to 2 into E, right. Here V belongs to V. That means, but this side is equals to this side, therefore summation of degree of Wi running from 1 to n plus summation of degree of Uj here running from 1 to m is equals to this side 2 into E. That means 2 into total number of edges in a graph G, right? But we know that this Wi belongs to W. That means degree of Wi is equals to odd. All vertices in a set W has odd degree, and we know that Uj belongs to this set U. In a set U, all vertices has degree even. Therefore, suppose that here Uj has degree even. Therefore, summation of even numbers. All vertices has even degree. Therefore, summation of all even numbers is also even here. So I running from 1 to n is equals to 2e minus uj, j running from 1 to m. This term is even and also this term is even, right? So this term is even, also this term is even, therefore subtraction is also even, therefore whole term is even. But here degree of Wi are running from 1 to n, right? So हमें क्या मिला, ये W सेट में जितने भी वर्टाइसेस है उन सभी वर्टाइसेस की डिग्री की अगर हम सम करें तो वो क्या आ रही है, इवन. बट वी नो दैट द बेसिक कंसेप्ट, ऑड नंबर की समेशन इवन कब आ सकती है, जब ऑड नंबर्स देयर शुड बी इवन नंबर ऑफ ऑड नंबर्स. दैट मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर 3 is odd number, right? And also 5 is odd number, but 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 is even number, right? But there are two odd numbers. There are two odd numbers. That means even number of odd numbers, right? Here. Next, if we add 3 plus 5 plus 7, 7 is also odd number, is equals to what? 8 plus 7. 15. But 50 is not even. Why? Because the number of odd numbers are odd. But if we add one another odd number, here 9, so we get 24, right? So this number is even because there are even number of odd numbers, right? Similarly here, degree of Vi is even is possible only when the number of is possible when the even there should be even number of odd vertices, right? Therefore this statement is true. What? In a graph G there is a even number of odd vertices, right? So therefore how we can write the proof of this corollary? Like this: let W be the set of odd vertices of G and let U be the set of even vertices of G. That implies for each U belongs to capital U, that means set of even vertices. Degree of U is even, that means summation of degree of U is equals to even, and here U belongs to this U because summation of all even numbers is even, right? That means here the total number of vertices in a graph G is U union W. That means degree of summation of degree of U plus summation of degree of W is equals to summation of degree of V. Here V belongs to V, W belongs to W, and U belongs to U. And we know that by handshaking lemma, the summation of degree of V belongs to V is equals to 2 into number of edges in a graph G. Right? Next, here also we rewrite this statement as like summation of degree of U is equals to 2e minus summation of degree of U. Here U belongs to U and W belongs to the set W, right? And we know that all the terms in summation of degree of W are odd, right? And their sum is even. Here summation of degree of W is equals to even. This is possible only when there must be an even number of odd vertices. Let us take an example. Here the vertex 6 has degree odd, here 1 2 3, and also 3 has degree 3, that means degree of that means 3 is a odd vertex and also 6 is a odd vertex, right? And 1 is even vertex. because there are two edges incident on 1. That means degree of 1 is 2. Similarly, 2 is even vertex. Why? Because degree of 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and degree of 4 is also 2. That means the vertex 4 is even, right? So in a graph G there are two odd vertices which are 6 and 3. That means there are even number. Here 2 is right? Here 2 is even, right? So in a graph G there are even number of odd vertices. Now we see the next definition, k-regular graph. If for some positive integer k, degree of v is equals to k for all v belongs to v, where v is the set of vertices in a graph G, then G is called k-regular, right? So meaning of this statement is graph is k-regular. That means in a graph G there are all vertices which have degree k, right? For example, here suppose that this is a graph G and 3, 4, and there are 4 vertices, right? So let us find the degree of all vertices here. Degree of 1 is equals to 2 because there are 2 edges incident on 1. Degree of 2 is equals to also 2 here, and degree of 3 is equals to also 3, and degree of 4 is equals to also 2. Degree of 4 is equals to also 2, right? Here if we observe, graph has 4 vertices and every vertex of G has same degree. Here 2, 2, 2, 2. Therefore this graph is 2 regular graph. 2 regular graph, right? So k-regular graph means in a graph G every vertex has degree k, right? Therefore this graph is called the k-regular graph. Let us take another example here. V1, V2, V3 and V4. Is this graph k-regular? Here. Now let us check. The number of vertices are 4 and degree of V1 is equals to 3, right? Degree of V2 is equals to also 3 and degree of V3 is also 3 and degree of V4 is also 3. Therefore k is equals to 3. Therefore this graph is 3 regular graph, right?